Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. After that click Pair New Device at the top and now open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another device, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see these earbuds at the device list. Then just tap on it and click Pair. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. Now let me show the second device what do not connect it with this earbuds. What you should do: so you need to press and hold at the both of touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds. Between these two dots what you have touch areas, and you need to press and hold this both of touch areas, I mean on your left and right earbuds. Now let me press and hold. And right here, as you can see, we just entered to pairing mode, so we can connect on these earbuds in this way also. Now, your earbuds can be in your ears at the charging case. It's the same, so don't worry, you can remove it and then enter to pairing mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!